Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make the stutter effect in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page with all the instruments. You can find the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making the desired stutter effect. Basically guys, let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new recording menu where you can see at the top of the screen we have the big red circle. So the big red circle is going to enable us to start the recording process. So what you can do is click the big red circle. That's going to start the recording process. It's going to start. We can play whatever we want. We can talk into the microphone, so on. And this is now going to open up this new of effects options where you can find all the options and effects we can use. And guys, some of them are what we are looking for. So you can add any of the effects right here, like sci-fi, extreme tuning. You have your bullhorn, dreamy, so on. So you can add any of the options right here that will sound the best like your stutter effects. You can get started playing around with them. But guys, to get your desired stutter effect, you want to go right here into the upper left corner, click on the sliders button. That's going to open up this track settings option right here where you can find all the options that you can use in the in your effects. So here you can find your plugins and equalizer, master effects, and so on. Under master effects, you can add the echo that you want, you can add a reverb, you can select how much you want to add it, maybe even a treble and bass under plugins and equalizer to get your desired stutter effect. So alongside this, you can go into the edit mode right here in the upper left corner. That's going to open up all of the tracks that you have right here. So as you can see, here are my tracks and my audio recorder, and you can tap on it to edit it. You even have the automation option to reduce the sound wherever you want and so on until you get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.